Is your 2017-2021 Honda Clarity key fob not working? The most likely culprit is a dead battery. This video will guide you through the simple process of replacing it yourself, saving you time and money compared to a dealership visit. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool and a CR2032 battery, readily available for $3 to $5 online or at any auto parts store. Replacing the battery is a straightforward DIY task that takes just 2 to 5 minutes. First, locate the small seam on your key fob. Gently pry it open using the flathead screwdriver or plastic tool to avoid scratches. Remove the old CR2032 battery, noting the polarity. The positive plus side usually faces up. Insert the new CR2032 battery in the same orientation. Snap the key fob halves back together until they click securely. Test the fob by locking and unlocking your car. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery polarity. For optimal performance, use a genuine or well-known brand like Duracell or Energizer. Consider a rechargeable CR2032 for environmental benefits and long-term savings. Remember, the fob is not waterproof.